Hey there, money makers. Welcome back to Daytime Dollar Channel. Are you tired of the same old ways to earn a buck? Well, have I got a little secret to share with you today? In this video, we're diving into the world of NFTs, where digital art meets big bucks. You heard it right, folks. We're going to explore how you can make money online through NFTs and become a digital art mogul. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride. Before we jump in, let's answer the burning question: what the heck are NFTs? NFT stands for non-fungible token. Fancy term, right? But here's the deal. NFTs are like digital certificates of authenticity for unique items like digital art, collectibles, or even virtual real estate. They're built on blockchain technology, which makes them transparent, secure, and one of a kind. That's right, folks, we're talking about owning a piece of the digital world. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but how do I make money with these digital thingamajigs? Well, my friend, there are a few ways you can cash in on NFTs. The first one is by creating your own digital masterpieces. If you have an artistic bone in your body or a mind brimming with creativity, you can turn those talents into dollar signs, sell your artwork as NFTs, and watch as collectors bid on your pieces. It's like having your own personal art gallery, but in the virtual realm. But hold on, that's not all. If you're not artistically inclined, fear not. You can still make money by investing in NFTs. Just like the stock market, the NFT market can be a goldmine for savvy investors. Keep an eye out for rising stars in the digital art world. Snatch up their NFTs at a low price and wait for their popularity to skyrocket. Once their value shoots up, you can sell those NFTs for a hefty profit. It's like buying a rare baseball card and selling it for millions. Remember though, like any investment, there are risks involved. The NFT market can be volatile, just like the stock market. So it's essential to do your research, stay informed, and only invest what you can afford to lose. But hey, with great risk comes great reward, right? Now, here's a little secret sauce to boost your NFT profits even further. Get involved in the NFT community. Connect with fellow artists, collectors, and enthusiasts. Attend virtual art events, join online forums, and build relationships in this exciting digital ecosystem. You never know when an opportunity for collaboration or a groundbreaking sale might come knocking on your virtual door. And here's a pro tip for you. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Explore different NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, or even the emerging ones like Foundation and Bakery Swap. Each platform has its own unique vibe and audience. By diversifying your presence, you increase your chances of reaching a broader audience and attracting more buyers. Think of it as casting a wide net into the vast ocean of digital opportunities. Now let's talk about the potential earnings from NFTs. The sky's the limit in this digital realm. Some artists have sold their digital creations for thousands, even millions of dollars. Take the example of Beeple, a digital artist who sold an NFT artwork for a whopping $69 million. While such astronomical figures are rare, they highlight the immense value NFTs can hold. But it's not just the artists who can rake in the cash. Investors have also made significant profits. For instance, a CryptoPunk NFT was purchased for around $7 in 2017 and later sold for over $7 million. Talk about a mind-blowing return on investment. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started with NFTs? Well, the first step is to set up a digital wallet. A digital wallet allows you to securely store, buy, and sell your NFTs. There are various wallets available, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Choose one that suits your needs and follow the setup instructions provided by the wallet provider. Once you have your wallet ready, it's time to get your hands on some NFTs. As mentioned earlier, explore different NFT marketplaces, browse through the collections, and discover the artwork that speaks to you. When you find something you love, you can either place a bid or buy it instantly, depending on the marketplace's options. And here's a pro tip for artists. When you create and sell your NFTs, consider offering limited editions or special perks to increase their value. Scarcity and exclusivity can make your artworks even more desirable, driving up the bidding frenzy. Alright, fellow digital pioneers, it's time to wrap up our journey into the world of NFTs. We've uncovered how you can make money online by creating and investing in NFTs. Whether you're an artist or an investor, there's a piece of this digital pie waiting for you. So Start exploring, start creating, and start making those digital dollars. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to join me on more exciting adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. I share valuable tips and insights on all things digital, so you don't want to miss out. Until next time, happy NFTing!